emotions in check, I keep quiet or read, because sometimes I feel like if I react to some things, I might react in a way that would maybe have harmful consequences afterwards. So I'd rather keep quiet and walk away or just ignore the person. The childhood that I'm having is different from the childhood that people before me had, because with my generation, it is said that we stay indoors too much, we focus on TV, cell phones, and stuff like that, compared to the known childhood that the child must play and do whatever. But I feel like it's fair, because I had my chance to play outside, but now I feel like it's my time to stay at home. Yeah. The negatives of my childhood, I would say I didn't really like the way I looked. But I've always been a confident person, even though I didn't like the way I looked. I was always like this bubbly person that I am. The emotions I battle with must be anger. I have a lot of anger issues. And I'm very quick to be like physical. I don't know how I deal with my anger, because it's different. Like, it depends on how I'm feeling on that day. It depends on the day. If today was a good day, I'll just let it slide. But if ever like today is just not a good day at all, I will shout. In my area, we don't have like the facility that helps young people with their EQ. Mainly the facility that we have is for sports. Safe Hub is a sports center. But for mental health and like EQ, we don't really talk about it in the society, because in a black community, it's not considered a factor that can be taken seriously. We must have like professional therapists, because I feel like the ones that we get from government hospitals, the social workers and stuff like that, they're very judgmental. Like, how we go government facility, just be ready to be judged. So I feel like we would have like a facility whereby we get trained people like who get to listen to our problems, give us advice on how to deal with certain situations, instead of us being judged. Because although like their work, their job to help us as the social workers, they tend to be judgmental a lot. Okay, my mom and my best friend are my forms of support, in terms of whenever like I have some internal problem or emotional problem, I can talk to them and get like proper advice and guidance, because sometimes I always have this mentality that I've got this, but sometimes I just need somebody to give me that guidance that I need. So yeah. The way forward or the future, it's interesting, because I don't know. I feel like I take each day as it is, and days are different. So in terms of my anger, maybe I need help. I don't know, because sometimes, when you need help, you can't assess yourself. You like when you have a problem, you don't know you have a problem. Somebody must help, especially if it's emotional. Somebody must tell you, I see this type of problem in you. So I feel like maybe I need maybe like 2 or 3 sessions in Yana where I get to talk and stuff like that.